Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss how to launch AWS EC2 Windows instance. Let me open my AWS console. Yeah, here is my AWS console. Mm, for the first, we need to we need to open EC2 service. For that case, click on services and you can, or else instead of that, we can search for EC2 here. Here you can see EC2. Click on it. We'll open EC2 console. Here Here we just need to click on launch instance to launch the instance. Here we need to view the instance name. Today I'm going to view demo instance, demo instance Windows. And here we need to select operating system. Here, as I said earlier, I'm going to launch Windows instance. And after launching the Windows instance, we are going to install the Xampp server in it. And after installation of Xampp, we are going to host some basic website. That means some hello world application like so using PHP. Now I'm going to select the Windows, my operating system. Then scroll down. And here you need to select the instance type. Here I'm going to select some somewhat bigger instance. Why? Because I'm going to launch some server like Xampp. It requires some CPU memory. That case, I'm going to search for small, which consists of two virtual CPUs and 2 GB of memory. So here we can able to select the existed key value pairs, or else we can able to create a new key pair. Let me show that. We can specify any name here. Demo instance Windows key pair. Key pair. Then just click on the create key pair. It will download some PEM, password encryption manager file will be downloaded to you, and then it will auto select your recent key pair which have been created by you. And then we need to scroll down and we need to remember one thing. Here we need to select allow HTTP traffic for internet. It is somewhat a crucial thing. If you do not click on this, then you cannot able to give public access to your IP. Then this should be enough. And by simply we can click on launch instance, it will create an instance for you. Let us wait for some time, and it has been created. Just scroll down and click on view instances so that you can able to explore where your instance has been saved. Here the instances which I have created before. If you see, so demo instance Windows. If you see here, the status of the Windows instance is initializing. It will take 3 to 4 minutes to complete the initialization process. Let me come back after the completion of the process. Yes, guys, our instance has been successfully launched. We see here before it is initializing. Now it is 2 by 2 checks passed. If you want to get this status, you need to refresh frequently here. Remember that you don't need to refresh the entire page. Here, if you see, it is the console refresh. Yes, if you just click here, it will show you the status of your instance type. Now you just need to connect your instance to the, and for that case you need to just select your instance, and then you just need to click on connect. Here you need to click on RTP client. Then you can able to download. You need to download the download remote desktop file. One RTP file will be downloaded to your system, and then you need to get your password. For that case, click on get password. Here you need to upload your private key. Here, if you see, it is the recently created key pair which have been downloaded when you have created a key pair. Just upload it, then decrypt. Here you can see your password has been generated. Just to copy it and paste it somewhere. Just to paste it somewhere, and then you just need to go to your downloads to explore your remote desktop file which have been downloaded recently. Here is our RTP file. Just open it. Click on connect. It will ask you the password which have been copied previously in our notepad. Just copy it and paste it here. Don't remember me, and then click on OK. Here it will ask you some conditions. Just click on yes. It will take some time to launch your Windows instance. Now your Windows instance is initializing. Just wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Complete initialization. Yeah, our instance has been successfully launched, and just wait for 30 seconds. It will show your system configurations here. Yeah, it is now successfully figured. Now you can download whatever you wish to download here. I mean, as I said earlier, I'm going to download Xampp server in it, and I'm going to create some web pages inside this, and I'm going to access that web page in my local system. I'm just going to Xampp server. Here I don't want to sign in. Confirm, continue without that. Yeah, so the setup is been ready, and I'm going to take a new tab and just search for Xampp download. Here you can go to the official website of Xampp apachefriends.org. Here any version of the Xampp. I'm downloading the latest version which has been specified here 149 MB. Here you download will start automatically. If not, click here. You just click here for download. Yeah, here we have downloaded our Xampp server. Just go to downloads to install our Xampp server which have been downloaded. Just click on it. Just click OK. Here if you want to install all these, you can go ahead, or else here we are using only MySQL and PHP admin. If you wish to if you don't want to install all this, just unclick this. Just click on next, and here you need to select the path. Right now I'm moving ahead with the by default path. Here I have already started the installation process. If you see here, here it is installing. Please wait for completion of the installation process. Our installation has been successfully completed. Just click on finish. Yeah, here also our Xampp control panel. Just start the Apache server. It will run on port number 80443. Now we are going to create one demo file which will be hosted through our Xampp server and also through our public IP. For that case, I'm opening Notepad to write some basic program in PHP. Let us write some basic program. Oh, channel. Let's run this code using our local host which have been created in Apache. Let us save this initially. Here I'm going to use some name as demo.php. Here one thing you need to remember, you need to select the file type as all files, then only it is going to consider the extension as .php. Click on save. By default it will be stored in documents folder, but we should not store this here. We need to store in our Xampp server, then only it is going to run using our local host. Just to go to C drive and Xampp folder. Inside the Xampp folder we need to go to htdocs. Here we need to paste our file. This, yeah, demo.php. Now let us go to our Microsoft, it's any browser. Just click on new tab. Just search for localhost slash our file name, that is demo.php. Click enter. Yeah, this is our output. Here I have entered welcome to our channel and thank you for watching. Instead of instead of getting using localhost, we can have some other ways to get our output, like using IP address, that is loopback IP 127.0.0.1. slash our file name demo.php. Sorry, here I forgot to specify the dot between 0 and 1. Let me close new tab. 127.0.0.1 slash demo.php. Yeah, here we will get the same output which we get using localhost. And instead of this, we can able to use here 127.0.0.1 is IPv4 address. We can get using IPv6 address also. That will be specified inside square braces. That is double colon one slash our file name demo.php. And here also we are going to get the same output. And instead of these three methods, we can get through our private IP and public IP. Here if you see, here is our private IP address 172.31.5.155. Let us enter that. Open new tab. 172 dot that 31.5.155 155 slash our file name demo.php. Yeah, if you see here, the same output we have got through our private IP also, and we can able to get through public IP also. But before that, we need to do some operation. First of all, let me show you whether it is getting or not. Public IP is 65.7. Let us open a new tab. 65.0. 65.0. Is that 75.160? 75.160 slash our file demo.php. If you see here, it is taking so much time to load our site. That means our site is not working. For that case, if you want to activate our public IP also, this is our public IP also. We just need to enable some settings. That is just a search for allow an app through firewall, Windows firewall. Just open that. Here we need to add some another apps. Just click on allow another app, click on browse, go to our Xampp folder, C drive, Xampp. Inside Xampp, we just need to go to Apache. Inside Apache, we need to go to bin. Here we need to search for HTTPD. We need to select this and click on add. After adding this, you just need to give access to public. Just click the checkbox and then click on OK. That's it. Now go to our browser. Here it is showing on reach. Now without refreshing also, we are going to get using our public IP also. It is our Windows server. Let us check whether it is working or not in my local system. Let me close this. Let me close this window and go to my local system. Open my Chrome browser. We take new tab and search for it. If you see here, it is even working in my public Chrome also. This is all about how we can launch our Xampp server, how to create a new file, and how to host that file using public and private IP addresses. That's it. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.